In this video we're going to look at how to work a back post double crochet stitch. If you use UK terms, that is a raised treble crochet back. The stitch basically works like a typical double crochet, but you're going to work around the post instead of into the top of the stitch. I'm showing you the double crochet version here, but the same principle applies with trebles, singles, all stitches. It's more about where you work the stitch than the stitch itself. I've started with just a row of 11 normal double crochet. I'm going to work a typical double crochet in the first stitch. So that stitch relates to that post there. Next I'm going to work the back post double crochet into this post here, so that's the second post. So I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to take my hook round the back, pop it through, and then hook it round the post. So if I turn it round, you can see that the hook is behind the post. So from the front of your work, which can get a bit fiddly, the post is at the back of your hook. So you're pushing the post back, whereas in the front you're pushing it forward. So I've just yarned over and pulled a loop through there. Then I'm going to work a normal double crochet. So that's my first stitch. You can see that post has been pulled back. I'm going to go through that again, just a little more slowly. So that is the stitch I've worked for. I'm going to work another normal double crochet in the top of the next stitch. So this time I'm going to be working around this post here. So yarn over, put your hook so that post is at the back, yarn over, pull up a loop. You're kind of working on the back of your work. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. So you can see that's pulled that back. I'm just going to work a double crochet in the next, and I'll just show you a few more. So yarn over, hook behind, hook in front of post. The post is at the back of the hook. Pull up a loop, pull through two, and pull through two. The biggest trouble people get in with post stitches when working in combination is not knowing which post they've worked around, which top they're working in. So you can see here that those top stitches relate to this post. So my next stitch is going to be worked here. Once you've worked a few of these, you get into the habit with it, but it's something that catches a lot of people out. So just going to work this to the end. Okay, so that's the first row from the front. When I turn it, you'll see that it actually looks very like the front of a row of front post doubles. So the back and front, it just depends whether you're pushing the post back or pulling it towards the front. That's the main difference. The rest of the stitch is the same.